Flipping houses made people millions over the past decade. But in 2025, is it still a smart investment or has the market changed too much? If you're considering flipping houses this year, it's important to pay attention to key market factors. Interest rates are shifting, inventory is tight, and competition is fierce, but there are still huge opportunities if you know where to look. In this video, I'll break down how current market conditions impact house flipping, where to find undervalued properties in a tight market, and renovation strategies that offer the highest ROI. I'll also cover the biggest mistakes new flippers make and how to finance flips even if you don't have cash. Stick around until the end, where I'll share my one game-changing tip for maximizing profits on your next flip. Let's dive in. So, is 2025 a good time to flip houses? It depends. Interest rates are higher, meaning mortgage rates have increased. Buyers are more selective, and flippers must price homes correctly. Housing inventory is still low, which is good news because well-renovated homes sell quickly. But it also makes finding good deals on distressed properties more challenging. Home prices are stabilizing, so flippers can't rely on rapid appreciation like in 2021 and must focus on smart renovations and accurate pricing to secure a solid profit. The key to flipping in 2025 is simple: buy low, renovate wisely, and sell at the right price. With fewer distressed homes available, where can you find your next flip? Here are 5 proven ways to find cheap properties in 2025. First, look for off-market deals, as many of the best opportunities never hit the MLS. You can find these by sending direct mail campaigns, driving for dollars to spot rundown homes, or networking with wholesalers. Second, explore foreclosures and REOs, bank-owned properties, since banks continue to offload foreclosures at below market prices. Auction websites like Hubzu and Auction.com, as well as local county foreclosure lists, are great places to start. Third, target distressed sellers such as homeowners facing divorce, job loss, or inheritance issues who may need to sell quickly. You can find these deals by checking probate and tax lien properties or working with investor-friendly real estate agents. Fourth, search for MLS hidden gems, including homes that have been on the market too long or have bad listing photos, as these often signal motivated sellers willing to negotiate. Finally, consider seller financing and creative deals, as some sellers struggle to find buyers due to high interest rates. Offering seller financing or structuring subject-to deals can help you take control of a property without a large upfront payment. Pro tip: always run the numbers before buying. Never assume a deal is good without doing your homework. Not all renovations are created equal. Flipping in 2025 isn't about over-the-top luxury. It's about smart, cost-enough upgrades. The top 5 renovations that add the most value include kitchen upgrades, which offer a 75-85% ROI by focusing on new cabinet doors, fresh countertops, and modern fixtures. Curb appeal improvements with a 90% plus ROI can significantly boost a home sale price through a new front door, landscaping, and fresh exterior paint. A bathroom refresh provides a 60 to 70% ROI by updating lighting, mirrors, and vanity instead of a full remodel. Flooring upgrades with a 70 to 80% ROI involve replacing old carpet with luxury vinyl plank (LVP), which is both affordable and stylish. Lastly, smart home features can yield a 50 to 80% ROI by adding a smart thermostat, keyless entry, and energy-efficient appliances to make the home stand out. The key is to spend wisely and avoid over-improving beyond the neighborhood's price range. Flipping houses sounds easy, but many people lose money by making these common mistakes. The first mistake is underestimating renovation costs, since contractors often go over budget. Always add a 10 to 20% buffer to your renovation budget to avoid surprises. The second mistake is overpaying for a property, which can kill your profits before you even start. Follow the 70% rule to calculate your max offer. Another major mistake is holding the property too long, because the longer you hold, the more you pay in mortgage, utilities, and taxes. Aim to flip within 3 to 6 months to keep costs low. Some flippers also try to DIY everything, but this can slow down the project. Knowing when to hire professionals can lead to faster, higher quality results. Finally, ignoring market trends can be costly. Always study local market data before buying. If homes are sitting for months, your flip could take longer to sell. The key to a profitable flip? Buy smart, budget wisely, and move fast. Don't have a ton of cash? No problem. Here are 5 financing options to fund your next flip. First, hard money loans are short-term, high-interest loans designed for investors. They offer fast funding but come with higher costs. Second, private money lenders, such as family, friends, or investor networks, can provide better terms than traditional banks. Third, if you own a home, you can use a HELOC, home equity line of credit, to fund flips with lower interest rates. Fourth, seller financing allows you to negotiate no money down deals where the seller acts as the bank. Finally, partnerships and joint ventures can help you get started by finding an investor willing to finance the deal while you handle the flip. No money? No problem. There's always a way to finance a deal if you're resourceful. Is flipping houses still profitable in 2025? Yes, but only if you know what you're doing. Market conditions have changed, but flipping is still profitable. Finding undervalued properties takes creativity and hustle, while smart renovations lead to a higher ROI. It's important to avoid common mistakes like underestimating costs, and financing options exist even if you don't have cash. Thinking about flipping your first house? Drop a comment below and let's talk strategy. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my next real estate investing video.